Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. The strangest secret in the world is that you become what you think about. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. Watch what everyone else does, do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. Open your ears before you open your mouth. It may surprise your eyes. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. To become successful and outstanding at something, we don't have to come up with something new. We need only find ways of doing it better. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going.